Hello everyone, this morning we're going to talk about conversion of English system of measure in terms of mass or weight. These are the conversion factors na pwede nating tingnan if we are going to convert units from English system or metric system since given din dito. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounce. 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pound. Yung symbol niya is LB. This is small letter L and B. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. And 1 metric ton is equal to 1,000 kilograms. Example number 1. Convert 60 ounce into pounds. So again, tingnan kung ano yung mga given conversion factors na kung saan ito yung i-multiply natin sa given. So 60 ounce times, okay, so hanapin natin dito yung may 16 ounce, so that is equal to this one, 1 pound times 1 pound over 16 ounce. We have a whole number and a fraction. Pwede nating i-direct, i-multiply si 60 kay 1. Then, another way is pwedeng si whole number gawin nating fraction by adding 1 sa denominator. So, this will equal to 60 ounce over 1 times 1 pound over 16 ounce. Since we have the same units sa numerator and denominator, just cancel this one, then multiply the fractions. 60 times 1, that is equal to 60. Copy the unit, pound over 1 times 16, that is equal to 16. Now, you are going to divide this fraction. Okay? Divide. Pwedeng gumamit ay ng long division method, or if you have a calculator, pwedeng gumamit ng calculator. This time, we will be using the long division method. Okay? So, 16 will be your divisor. Then, your dividend is equal to 60. 60 divided by 16, or ilan ang 16 kay 60? That is equal to 3. 3 times 16, that is equal to 48. Subtract the two numbers, this will equal to 10. 2, 5, change 6 to 5. Since naging 10 yung 0 kanina. So, 5 minus 4, that is equal to 12. 12 divided by 16 cannot be. So, we're going to borrow 0. Kapag umiram ng 0, write the decimal point. Ibig sabihin, decimal number ang ating sagot. Since nagborrow din ng 0, write 0 sa baba. 120 divided by 16. So, ilan ang 16 kay 120? Let us try 7. Kung kakasya or susobra. Pag sumobra kay 120, hindi natin isusulat dito. Kasi dapat hindi siya susobra kay 120. 7 times 6, 42. Okay, 2. Carry 4, 7 times 1, 7 times 4 is 11. Okay, yun, sumakto. Hindi na pwede nating piliin yung 8 kasi lagpas 120 na siya. 7 times 16, that is equal to 100. Subtract again the 2. This will equal to 10. Cancel, magiging 1. 2 is equal to, since cannot be pa rin, so you're going to add 0, then bring down 0. 80 divided by 16. Okay? Nakapag kay 16, will equal to 80. So this is, let's try 60 times 5, that is 30, 0, 3. 5 times 1, that is equal to 5 plus 3, 80. Okay, so nagsakto kay 80. So this is equal to 5. 16 times 5 is equal to 80. Then 0. Kapag 0 na sa long division method, stop your solution. Okay? So, your final answer is equal to 3.75 pound. Don't forget the unit. So, again, 60 ounce is equal to 3.75 pounds. Okay? Next example is this one. The boy is carrying a 2-pound book in his backpack. He wants to know the weight of the book in ounces. How many ounces does the book weigh? Solution will be, and tingnan ulit natin yung mga factor. Since given is pound, we're going to convert that to ounces. So ito natin. 1 pound is equal to 16 ounce. So your solution will be 2 pound, or you're just going to write the symbol of pound, katulad kanina yung LP, times. This time, you're not going to multiply 1 pound equal 1 pound over 16. Okay? Ang magiging conversion factor natin is the same, but baliktad yung ating fractions. Ito magiging 16 ounce to 1 pound. Yan. Okay? Or 1 LB pound. Kasi the goal is to eliminate the unit, this one, yung pound. Kasi kung maging 1 pound over 16, okay, mamamali tayo ng solution and magiging squared yung units. So again, this is a whole number, a fraction. Make this whole number as a fraction by adding 1 sa denominator. This 1 times 16 ounce over 1 pound. Yan. So dapat ma-cancel this one. Cancel, same unit. So direct multiply the fractions. 2 times 16, that is equal to 32. Copy the unit over 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Then simplify the fraction. 32 divided by 1 is equal to 32. So this will be your final answer, 32. Okay.